Welcome to Bike Buzzin', your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today we're diving deep into the world of motocross legends to bring you the story of one of the most iconic dirt bikes ever made, the Kawasaki KX500. This powerhouse of a machine has been revered by off-road enthusiasts and motocross racers alike for decades. Let's explore what makes the KX500 a legend in the world of dirt bikes. Number 1. The origins of the KX500. The Kawasaki KX500 first made its debut in 1983, quickly becoming a favorite among motocross racers and off-road riders. Designed to dominate the open desert and motocross tracks, this beast was built with performance in mind. The KX500's reputation grew as it consistently outperformed its competition, earning its place in motocross history. Kawasaki's goal was simple: to create the most powerful and competitive two-stroke dirt bike on the market. Number 2. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KX500 lies its most defining feature, the massive 499cc two-stroke engine. This liquid-cooled powerhouse is capable of producing an astonishing amount of torque and horsepower, making it one of the most powerful dirt bike engines ever built. Its raw, untamed power delivery is not for the faint-hearted. The engine's design allows for quick acceleration and top-end speed, making it a monster on the track and a favorite for hill climbing and desert racing. Number 3. Handling and ride dynamics. Despite its immense power, the KX500 offers a surprisingly balanced ride. Kawasaki engineered the chassis to handle the engine's power effectively, providing stability and control even at high speeds. The bike features a long travel suspension system with adjustable front and rear shocks, ensuring that it can handle rough terrains and big jumps with ease. Riders have always praised the KX500 for its ability to tackle diverse riding conditions, from tight, technical trails to wide-open desert landscapes. Number 4. The legacy of the KX500. The Kawasaki KX500 has left an indelible mark on the world of motocross and off-road racing. It dominated the AMA motocross and supercross circuits throughout the 1980s and 1990s, becoming a symbol of two-stroke power and performance. Many legendary riders, including Jeff Ward and Mike Kiedrowski, piloted the KX500 to numerous victories, solidifying its reputation as a race-winning machine. Despite being discontinued in 2004, the KX500 continues to have a cult following among enthusiasts and collectors. Number 5. The KX500 in the modern era. Even in today's world dominated by four-stroke machines, the KX500 remains a sought-after bike for those who crave the raw, visceral experience that only a big-bore two-stroke can provide. Many riders and mechanics have taken to restoring and modifying these bikes, ensuring that the legend of the KX500 lives on. Whether it's for vintage racing or pure adrenaline-fueled fun, the KX500 still holds its own against modern dirt bikes. Number 6. Maintenance and challenges. Owning a KX500 is not for everyone. Its high-performance engine requires regular maintenance and care. The two-stroke engine demands a precise mix of oil and fuel, and keeping the carburetor and exhaust system clean is crucial for optimal performance. However, for those who are willing to put in the effort, the rewards are unparalleled. The KX500 offers a riding experience that is unmatched in terms of power and excitement. Number 7. Why the KX500 is still relevant today. So, why does the Kawasaki KX500 still matter in a world filled with technologically advanced four strokes? The answer lies in its simplicity and raw power. It represents an era when motocross was all about skill, guts, and the ability to harness the sheer force of a two-stroke engine. For many, the KX500 embodies the pure essence of off-road riding, a no-nonsense, high-adrenaline experience that modern bikes often struggle to replicate. Conclusion. The Kawasaki KX500 is more than just a dirt bike, it's a legend. It's a machine that defined an era of motocross and continues to inspire riders today. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a passionate enthusiast, the KX500 offers a unique riding experience that is hard to find in modern bikes. Here at Bike Buzzin', we celebrate these legends and the passion they ignite in all of us. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Kawasaki KX500, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the world's most iconic bikes. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you in the next video.